on PVL Prime Time. And we begin set number 2 with another misreceived ball and another giveaway to Creamline. Gemma getting ready. Good reaction there. Myla from behind. First point.
Change in the setter's position. Janelle Cheng will be calling the shots for the Angels in game number 2. I think the biggest difference na napansin ko nung set number 1, aside from the service reception of both teams, would be the power in the out-of-system plays of Creamline and
series, or in this game number 2. Soft block. Brooke again. 4-0. 2019. That was the reinforced conference when they won. That was the one with Wilma Salas and
I think that was with Lindsay Vander Weyden.
Vander Weyden, yes. But it's that all-Filipino. Gusto mo makuha yun, Neil.
The first one will also be the most memorable. So for Petrogas, ito talaga yung matagal na nilang hinihintay. Imagine, since 2019, they've been trying to get their all-Filipino title. It's already 2025.
Right. Long rally. Barbon unable to keep it in play. Parang nakuha mo. Yung isang merong reinforcement at isang all-Filipino. Coverage was there. Brooke will try again. Pons gets ready. Denied. Tries again. Changes angles.
You can't believe it. Brooke Van Sickle is up front, but they can't seem to get that side out.
Back set. Sent back. And an answer from Petrogas. Adam Swong reminding Brooke Van Sickle, you can't put your hands up too high up that net when the serve is up. Chance to counter here. They go to Brooke. Sent back. Try again. Gemma behind for the sweep. Tempiatura with the up. Back set to Jonah. Bang! The reinforced conference that Petrogas won against Creamline was originally, we said originally was right, with the late Janisa Johnson and Wilma Salas. They did win with obviously another great reinforcement in Lindsay Vander Weyden, but that was against Signal. Right now we're back 2 straight points for Creamline. They're down 2. Dug by Gemma. Blocked. Reverse to Mitch. Myla keeps it in play. Barbon sends it over. BDL asking for it, but it is Mitch who gets it. 3 straight points for Creamline. Another float serve of hers. Jonah. Brooke with a sharp serve to Gemma. Mitch adjusting. Jonah was there for the pickup. Back to Sabete. Denied! 1-on-1!
In this one long conference alone, she knows that she can rise to the occasion, that she and Bilov Barbon can step up and be there, be the defensive.
They're ahead by 1. Musa serving. That still makes it! Passes, kaya hindi siya mapasahan.
Even the wing spikers have been limited. Only 4 points from Sabete Pablo and Van Sickle.
Tempiatura with a great up. Good defense there. Oh, and Brooke unable to keep it in play.
Sure na dapat tumagal yung Petrogas Angels. Even though they only have 2 attackers up front, that's still MJ Phillips and Brooke Van Sickle.
Right.
So the receivers and the defenders at the back really need to do their job.
Pablo serving. Overpass. Good block. Good rejection. 3 straight points by Petrogas.
The front line. It's easier for Janelle Cheng to really establish the tempo that she likes.
Ang bilis ng pasa, Neil.
From the front line. It's easier for Janelle Cheng to really establish the tempo that she likes.
Ang bilis ng pasa, Neil. And Milo continues to serve. And a good serve, too. Another chance to counter. MJ on the run. Denied! Oh, yeah!
Perhaps because pasok na yung kamay ni Gemma.
That's an overpass. Brooke keeps it up. Myla from behind. Smart play by Kyle. Oh, hindi iniset. They have a chance here. Back to Brooke. Brooke rolls it. Bonds from behind. And Cheng cannot catch up to it. Three straight points by Creamline.
From a dominant first set
Walang
to a so-so second set.
Walang Petrogas, parang nag-settle down, Neil.
And defense really kicked in for Petrogas here in set number 2. They were getting a lot of block touches early on. And now Brooke Van Sickle is starting to heat up.
Gemma. Overpass again.
You know what, Boom? I'm still waiting for that Eliza Valdez substitution. She's played in games like these.
Yes.
And you really need her down the road if you want to extend the game number 3.
Brooke. Cross court.
Wow.
Little sauce.
Placements of your sets. And alam niya na kung ano yung angle na pupuntahan niya. Another error for the Cool Smashers.
8 set points is what they had.